7th fret to the 9th fret, but this time half notes. So we're speeding it up. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 7th fret, go now. Half notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a good thing that we don't have to change the chord form. We can move this around. Sometimes I add the 5th string because I like the fullness of it. I'll try quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. How about 8th notes? To get 16th notes, all I have to do is add that upstroke. They're already there.